How's it going, guys? I'm Suzuki Ninja Taro. Today, I'd like to talk about part 2 of your very first driving lesson at the school. Good driving starts with the correct driving posture. After getting in the car, adjust your driving position to suit your body. It's best if your knees bend slightly when you press the brake pedal. Adjust the seat back angle. Set the steering wheel. Fasten the seat belt. You must adjust the interior mirror. Common mistake. While driving, you do not adjust the seat. Adjusting it after starting to drive can be dangerous, as it may cause your foot to leave the brake. Similarly, adjusting mirrors after starting the engine will lead to point deductions. Be sure to adjust them before starting the engine. How to turn the steering wheel. Hold the steering wheel at the 10 and 2 position. When turning the steering wheel, cross your hands. As you switch grips to complete the turn. Point. If you are holding the bottom of the wheel or driving with just one hand, this will result in losing points. Holding the wheel with one hand is not acceptable. Driving underhand, with your grip inside the wheel, is also not acceptable. In Japan, if you feed the wheel through your hands, you will lose points in the driving test. When returning the wheel, do not release your hands. Start and stop. In an automatic car, when you put it in drive and release the brake, the car moves forward. This is called the creep phenomenon. When you press the brake pedal, the car stops. When you want to increase your speed, press the accelerator pedal. Point. When pressing the gas pedal, keep your right heel on the floor and control it using your ankle. If your heel is off the floor, you won't be able to press the pedal steadily. At first, it's hard to control how much to press, so it ends up feeling like you're just flipping a switch. However, with continued practice, you'll be able to make fine adjustments, just like turning a dial. At the beginning of the brake pedal's travel, there is a section called free play. Pressing this part doesn't activate the brakes. If you press the brake pedal further past the free play, you'll reach the section where the brakes actually start to work. This part is called the brake engagement. Place your left foot on the footrest. This helps support your body while you operate the right foot. Wow, look at the time. It's dinner time already. Let's call it a day. See you next time, Ninja. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel as well.